What is going on here today?
I'm hoping it's going to be a promotion party. We're pretty much there. We need to get a point today and we'll get over the line, and I think there'll be a celebration then because the whole town will be here today. We'll have about 3,000 here today. It'll be a great occasion. Everyone's going to enjoy himself. The weather is holding. This is a different social event than watching Cardiff Swansea on them. So it is different because you can drink on the terraces. You can have some great food here. If you haven't tried the cob and chips, you've missed the treat. This is all about non-league football. This is getting close to the players, good atmosphere, friendly, no segregation, and that's been building for a while. And we've got a lot of young kids, young adults coming through now who are really enjoying what they're seeing here, and it's become a meeting point, somewhere where you can go, just come here, have a beer, watch football, go home. We started the season with a couple of wins, then we lost to Gloucester away, but then we didn't lose them for like 30 whatever games. It's been a surreal season. It's a small squad, but they keep playing well. We've got some great players and we've got some great forwards. You know, and I could name a whole team for you at the moment because I think it's becoming one of those iconic teams already. You know, I'm thinking, you know, I mean, look about the '87 team with Lynn Jones and, you know, the Di Webbleys of this world. You know, this team is on that same level now. It's an iconic team because they are doing it week in, week out, and the town is responding to them. It's a real buzz around the town.
I got really nervous going into this one because we'd celebrated on Friday, so we had to kind of own that now. You know, we knew the goal difference was never going to be overturned, but we hadn't actually won the league, so it was almost written, I guess, to do it on bank holiday today.
It's such a big club and such a good club. I've found my love for football again here, and I'm so grateful for Paul Michael to bring me to Merthyr, and I don't know what to say at the moment. It's just such a big moment for me, and my family and the fans is amazing.
I thought it was typical of the season, really. Basically, the season's been like that all year. We're just better than everybody else at keeping the ball, passed it around, and we got a threat up front. So Simpson scoring, and at the end, Ricardo re-scoring is sort of a fitting end to the season, really, because, you know, he's been our talisman. When we need to go, he'd step up and have it.
Yeah, it was a relief because I needed a goal today. I felt like I haven't scored for 2-3 games, so it was a nice feeling to top it off 3-0 in front of all the fans. It was a great feeling, and I think I deserved it as well.
New adventures, new things to look forward to, old rivalries reunited. We don't know what league we're going to be in. Maybe if we get on the north, then maybe we'll have to ring Noel Mooney back up, but we'll have to wait and see on that one.
But it's just been amazing. You know, 3,000 crowd, everybody enjoying themselves, sunny weather. It's just a perfect day.